Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easily adjust the column width in Google Sheet. Let's get started. The simplest way is to hover your mouse over the line between column letters at the top of your sheet. For example, the line between column A and B. You'll see a double-headed arrow. Click and drag left right to change the width. Another method is you can select the columns you want to adjust by clicking the column header, and there you see a small arrow. Click on this and now go to resize column. Here you can customize column width or click on fit to data to actually fit the data, or you can customize the theme. As you can see, the width of the column has been changed. So that's how you change the column width in Google Sheet. If this felt helpful, hit like, subscribe and comment if you want to know more about Google Sheet tips.